Hi, you are welcome once again over here on this platform, and today in this video I would like us to explore around two markets. We are walking from this place to a different market. So guys, join me and let's explore around these market places. And this market that you're seeing is Makola number 2 market, which is close to Agbogbloshie market. A lot of people have been calling this market Agbogbloshie market, but the real name of this market is Makola number 2. So we are in Makola number 2 right now, and we are exploring around this place. And when you look around this part of Makola number 2 is where the jewelries traders are. So guys, let's move around and explore around the next market, and after that we will move to the next market, which is also CMB. So right now this is the entrance that divide Mokola number 2 and Agbogbloshie. So right now we have entered Agbogbloshie market, and this place is Agbogbloshie market. So as you can see, this place is where they sell meat and fish, and most of them are dry meat and fish. Do you get me? Yeah. So when you come over here, you're gonna get different kind of fish and meat to buy. So let's move forward. So guys, this market is really close to CMB market, and you can even call this place CMB market. So guys, I'm very sorry we couldn't, explore around CMB market. I have a video in the description down below which explore around that place. See you in the next video.